Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Wilma. Today I'm going to make gyoza. First, I chop the Chinese cabbage or pechay bagyo sa Pinas. I cut into small pieces and then put some salt and then leave it for a while. Next, pork mince, 250 grams. Next, onion spring, it's about 10 grams. Then next, garlic. Next, ginger. Next, a little bit salt, 1/3 of teaspoon. And then this is a rice wine, Japanese sake, 1 spoon. Just like this one. You can buy it in Japanese store. Japanese wine, rice wine. And next, a little bit of soy sauce. And next, breadcrumbs. 2 spoons. Then, pepper. Then, sesame oil. Ito to. And next, I'm going to wash my hands first before touching all the ingredients, mixing all the ingredients. Children will love this gyoza. And then, I'll mix this. Tapos, tatanggalin lang ho yung excess water. Remove all the excess water. Squeeze. Then mix to the pork mince. Then, afterwards, mix everything.